Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? Alright, on this quick video I'd like to show you how you can use your Square card reader on any phone. So as you can see, I have plugged it in and the logo of the Square app should be facing up. So once you do that, you open your Square app. So I go to my app store, open Square app, and then you're gonna input the amount of money you're gonna charge the card. So it says reader connected, okay? So now we're gonna charge this card 13,300. So let's type that first. All right, so 13,300. So we're gonna charge that. We put the amount. So now we're gonna swipe. All right. Boom, approved. How would you like to receive your email? Your confirmation. So I put my email, and you're done. That's how you use your Square app on your phone. Once you connect your account and everything, and you set all Square. All right, I hope this helps. Ciao, guys.